Hey, everybody. Welcome to Polly's Crochet Creations. I'm Tori, your hostess. Yes, I am still sick. I'm hoping that I'll kick it whatever I've got by Sunday so I can go back to work on Monday. I'm tired of having the time off. I have no more time off that I can use with this illness. So I have to be better by Friday or by Sunday. So, what's today's video? Well, what's today's video? Today's video is a FirMoo unboxing. Back in October, November, FirMoo reached out to me and asked me if I could do a review on their product. I sent them the information that they needed for, sorry, you're going to hear some noises, my cats. I sent them the information that they needed for my glasses. I told them that, my glasses are extremely strong prescription. And they decided that they would do a reading prescription instead of doing the trifocals that I always use. So the reading prescription, that's fine. I can use the prescription glasses for my my videos. Okay, and I love the old-fashioned style of glasses that they used to have. The cat-size styles. I love those. So. I know my attire doesn't match. This is a scarf that I quickly whipped up yesterday. And it's helping to keep my neck warm. So, now, FirMoo. Okay, so I did open the package. This is the pack that it came in. So I opened that, and I wanted to inspect to see how they transported or transpired through the mail. Now, first off, I was expecting to have like a metal container. The plastic container is really nice, but when it arrived, there's a great big crack in the side of the container. Right there. Okay? So, the container's cracked. So, FirMoo, I will leave in the description down below a link to the FirMoo to the FirMoo page. I will also leave a link. They gave me a link for 50% off of frames, I think, or lenses. I can't remember. But I'll leave that all down in the description box below. Sorry, I need a drink. I got this parcel like a couple weeks ago, and I have been under the weather, so we're unbagging or unboxing or pulling it apart. So that is the case. These are the glasses. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, none of these codes work, because these are codes from 2024. Ends December 31st, 2024. So none of these codes work, but I can show you the FirMoo card. So that's FirMoo card. And then, like I said, none of these codes work. I will list down below a link of the cards that will, or of the promo code that'll work. At least I'm hoping it'll work. But like I said, that's been so long since I got these that you know, since they were mailed out. So, let's unbag these. These are the glasses that I picked out. I love these glasses. These are gorgeous. The bling bling on the side, when they did come, because of the extreme cold, the lens had popped out of the right lens had popped out. So I had the optical place here try and put back into place. And my prescription is extremely strong. This is my prescription. And I'm surprised. I'm actually surprised that FirMoo actually could make my prescription. So, I love the color. I love the design. I love the design. Beautiful. And this is the legs. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, I just love it. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. I will have to get used to the strength of the single vision because I'm so used to wearing the trifocals. But these will work really good for doing my videos and stuff. And like I said, I just love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. And FirMoo has inexpensive glasses. And they can pretty much make any type of glasses. It is located, I believe, down in the States. And let me just check for you. FirMoo. Okay. FirMoo eyewear. And if you sign up to the mailing list, you get a discount code. Country and region. So they have United States of America, United Kingdom, Germany, Australia, Spain or Spanish, Italian, French, Mexico, Chile, and Japan. And also Canada, because they did send these to Canada. Contact us. Okay, email. You can contact for email 24 hours and 48 hours on the weekend. Shipping. Let's see what shipping is. Okay, they ship to Canada, United States, United Kingdom, Argentina, Australia, Austria, Bermuda, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Belgium, Brazil. They sent it to pretty much almost everywhere in the world. Alright. Where are they located? Yeah, I'm trying to see where they're located. Okay, they're located in the U.S. And like I said, unfortunately, the way things worked out, because of the mail strike and because of Christmas and because of winter and all that stuff, I didn't get it until a couple weeks ago. And I did promise that I would do a video on their glasses. Now, I do love them. These are the ones that I picked out. I do love the bling bling. And yeah, like I said, I can't really see myself in the picture, but I can read. I can read things with these glasses. So, great job, FirMoo, and thank you for sponsoring this video. Like I said, I will leave a link in the description box below for the following. Let me see if I can find my email. There, right there. So I will leave in the description box below a code for 50% off and a link. Now, you can use these codes in the link. The code is for 50% off. And any proceeds will go back into the channel. And I'm going to show you a few glasses. So if you go onto the web page, right here, there's 3 lines. If you click that, click it, it'll show you eyeglasses, sunglasses, lens hub, and then feature, and then deals. So say I wanted to do a deal. Well, I can click deals and I can see what they have for deals. Okay, so I go and I click shop now for this one. Okay, and then it'll take you to no. Let's go do a different one. $6.95 a pair Canadian. So we're gonna go there, and then it'll come up. A bunch of things will come up that you need to put in, and then it'll come up with the glasses that they have. And they have really nice glasses. So I'm gonna link the page, this page, to the description box below. If you want to check it out, that would be great. If you want to watch the video to beginning to end, that would be great. So I just wanted to let you know that they have inexpensive glasses, and they're beautiful. Like, these are absolutely beautiful. So I am going to post this, and I'm going to post the links to the stuff that I've got. I'm going to post the links to those. So if you like the video, hey, give me a like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hey, today could be the day. And you all have a great day, evening, weekend, wherever you may be. You guessed it, you know it, it's coming. Keep on hooking. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.